Alright, so this is going to be a quick video for a person on gamebanana. I think his name was Pudino. He wanted to know how to make lap V for this mod, and I said that yeah, I could do that and stuff, and and he wanted to know if when he made a post like 5 days ago, wondering if I could like make a video about it, and now I'm here. And Pudino, I'm not gonna teach you how to make your lap tree. So what you're going to do is take like your pizza tower folder and like open it up with data.win, not data, Undertale modding tool. If you want to get Undertale modding tool, you'll have to write this in here, or anything that has to do with Undertale modding tool. You go down here to this bar and scroll all the way down until you come here, the way to the wrong section, or like right here, and you're going to click Windows or any other, depends on what you're using. Right, so once you're done with that, you're going to open up your data.win file with Undertale modding tool, and then you're going to wait a bit until it's finished loading. Also, I want to remind that I don't know how I'm gonna, like, how the lap 3 is going to be portable. Anyways, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to press on this code, open it up, and you'll see a lot of code. But up here is a bar, it says filter by name. So what you're going to have to write down is GML underscore object underscore OBJ, which also stands for object, just in short, underscore lap portal. Now I don't know which one. I think it was lap portal create, no, step, I think. No, right, it was like one of those two. Right, portal. There, right. And now under this one, like under case by pizza portal underscore appear, what you're going to have to do is press enter and then line up with the F, like this F, and like the end, like, and then what you're going to have to do is to write down is if global point lapse equals to, then you press enter again, and then you write down global fill equals 0. The global, if you write down 1 instead, pizza face will appear in lap 2, and you probably wonder why. But the thing is, the code is so that 0 means pizza time and 1 means lap 2. It's, for some people it is the other like a bit different. So instead of people, instead for some people having 1 equals lap 2, 2 is lap 2. But for the normal people, it's 2 equals lap 3. Right. And global fill makes the timer immediately go to 0. Now this would be like the end, but if you want it to be a little bit better, what you're going to have to do is get lap 2. No, that's wrong. I think it was like step, I don't remember, but yes. So what you're going to have to write down is if global lapse equals 2, I think it was sprite index equals sprite lap 3, like you're cool, like then here's your sprite. I recommend having it started with sprite and lap 3, because that way you can get track of it. And it doesn't really work now, because the way it needs to work is the text is going to have to be red. If it's red, then it has found the sprite. If it's blue, it hasn't. And the thing is, I haven't really coded, like, the lab flag isn't in yet. So what I recommend is going ahead and like so go to templates, like make your own custom lab thing. You can take this one, open it up, and then just like that. I don't really have to make it look fancy, but the thing I recommend the most is oh wait, that's the wrong one. Paste this, right? So I'm going to have to do sprite lab tree. Now here's a thing that I don't know if it can be fixed, but you're going to have to make like another frame, and then search for where you're going to write down the same thing. So sprite underscore lab 3 underscore 0, and boom, now you got 2. And now that you got like 2, because I don't really know any other way to fix it, so that will be your lab 3. What you're going to do is go to scripts and then resource repackers. So import and press on import graphics set xcsx, and then you're going to click on it and wait till it loads, and then just press on yes, and oh wait, I don't know, choose this folder, and now it should be imported. And as you can see, there's not much yet, but even though it doesn't. Right, so yeah, as you can see, the lab 3 is imported, as you can see. So we remove this one because we don't really need that. You can also remove this folder now. And we go back to the code.gnl object. Checked lab or lab 2. Yep, so as you can see, now the text is red, which means it has found the sprite. And then you just press the X at the top, and you press, and then it gives you the message asking you if you are sure if you want to quit, and then you press yes, and then it says if you want to save your changes first. So yep, and then you just do that, and then you wait till it's done loading, which will take a while unless you have like a good PC. And there you go. Now I don't really want to test it, because I'm pretty sure that it will take like a few more minutes. So yeah, and that's how you get your lab 3. Have fun.